Hello guys, I'm Catur from Office Catur. I want to show you about how to make my taskbar smaller in Windows 11. Let's check it out. First of all, you must go to desktop, then right click in your desktop, select display setting. Then you will open the dialog box like this. Choose scale. In this scale, you choose smaller scale. In my example is 125%. This my 125% wide for a bit. This my taskbar is look smaller and this still proportional. Yes. This is my tutorial. If you think this help you, please subscribe me. Thank you.